Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Kevin in Virginia. Kevin, we got you ready to go. Got your amp switch, high cut filter, wideband transmit and receive, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, MOSFET upgrades on the radio, cap upgrades, etc. Show you what we got here. 250 watt slug. Start with it all the way down, just shy of 20 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 100 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 220 bird. 500 watts slug and peak. Hello. 500 watts in the corner. All right, man. Simple and sweet little Superstar 148. Big power, easy to operate for you AMers. I'm your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Mr. Kevin, you got wives and got truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.